Help me try out 3 different gallery walls. I'm so excited to add Samsung the Frame to our space. It's a TV with a matte display that displays art at the highest quality when it's in art mode. I love that it's a gorgeous piece of decor rather than just a big black box in the room, and it's perfect for building a gallery wall around. I've loved this TV for so long and I couldn't wait to get it in our space. I love that it can display art when not in use, meaning it complements a living space so well. You can also change the bezel or the frame, meaning you can adapt the look over time and it can fit your space no matter your style. As you guys know, I change my mind about decor and art styles all the time. Here I'm trying out the sand gold, the teak wood, and the white. You've also got access to thousands of pieces of art to display, from masterpiece collections and even contemporary artworks. It's literally like a gallery at your fingertips that can change as often as your mood does. Okay, so which gallery wall do you like the best? Brights, neutrals, or a warm burgundy?